Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can block ads on Twitch. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just being simply on Twitch, and as you can see, like where I click on Miskif or Asmo, like no ads will appear. So why is that? Only because I installed this unblock origin. You want to write in Google unblock origin. And here you're gonna see Chrome, Google, unblock origin in how it's called Chrome Web Store as an extension, and you just install it. And that's pretty much it. And then you will have it here, and to turn it off, you just click here. To turn it on, you just click here. And you can see that I blocked since install 3.5 million ads. And I have been like having this for a long time. So have a great day and goodbye.